This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 31, yes, 31, of building Eleanor. In this issue, we're going to be doing a bit more wheel work. This is from previously. And we shall be adding the wheel to the floor pan, the chassis that we've been starting up. In today's episode, we've got another bit of wheel, a tyre, which I have got in boiling water to soften it, because otherwise I won't get it on there. But first of all, we need to attach this to this. There are 3 screw holes, and they just go around there like that. And then we use 3 screws. Who could possibly have guessed? To hold them together. If I can get the screw packet open. There we go. Get that open. We need 3 screws for that. One in each of the aforementioned screw holes. They will be nice and secure. Obviously, they don't need to be stupidly secure because the tyre will be holding the wheel together quite nicely. If it's anything like the previous tyres, they're going to be quite stiff to get on, these ones. So let's have a look and see. Get these tightened down anyway. That one. And that one. Right, then I have a tissue to dry it off. The tyre from the hot water. Take off most of the excess, get rid of the water. And then don't forget to dry off the insides. Don't want to trap lots of water in there sloshing around when you're done. This is now nice and pliable. So let's get that on there. This is going to be going onto the rear back, I think. So it's going to be that way round, I think is the best way, with the arrow pattern there. Not that you're ever really going to notice that, but that is how I'm going to do it. Stretch that out over here. Nice, sorted, done. So then we need to bring in, from last time, the chassis and the little brake disc thing that just sits over there. That will then go over the top of that. Actually, I'm going to put that in there first, because there's a bit that keys in to there, which I might not be able to get it lined up properly first. So I'm going to put that on there. Then slide that into there. And then using the other screw pack, and hook that in the end. That connected properly again. Goes in there. And we'll hold the wheel in place, and then the little magnetic hubcap will just sit on the outside like so. So we've got a wheel attached. Be that way up, isn't it? Yeah. So there we go. We have a wheel connected. Now next time we're going to be continuing to build the other wheel, and brake thing and putting more suspension and stuff on. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.